Hello children. Okay, again I am back here to tell you a story. So in the last class we learned about the story that is a fox and the grapes. Yes, in this class we are going to learn about a story that is a snail's tale. Fine. So before I jump up to the story, I would like to show you something. So children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a tiger, right? So tiger is a wild animal which lives in jungle. Okay. So can you tell me now what is this? Tail, right? So tail is a, which tail is this? Animal's tail. Fine. So children, I want to tell you tail spelling. So T-A-I-L. Tail means animal's tail, and I told you tail means stories. Okay. So here there is a name. Both the word will be different, but the pronouncing will be same. So tail and tail. So here, today I am going to tell you a snail's tale. Fine children. So where we are living nowadays? We are living. So I told you we are going to live in a home. So home is a place where we can live very safe and we are be protected from the hot, cold, rain. So animals. So to protect ourselves, we used to stay in the home, right? So again children, here today I am going to introduce one of your friend. So that is a snail. Okay. So this is your friend snail. Her name is called as what? Lily. What is her name? Lily. So Lily, she lives in a garden. Where she is going to live? In a garden. She is very small from her nose to her tail. Okay children. So here, as I told you about the home, here your friend Lily is going to carry her home on her back, and it is very heavy and round in shape. Okay. So your friend Lily used to carry the home wherever she used to move. Okay children. So one fine day, your friend Lily wanted to climb the uphill. What is this? This is the hill. So the Lily wanted to climb the uphill. Up means at the top of the hill. Okay. So you can see here how the Lily is going up the hill, and suddenly she thought that, oh no, this is not fair. Why I should carry my home every way? So the Lily got tired and she was not happy with her home, and by this thought she was coming down to the uphill. From the top to the bottom she came, and suddenly she met there with a big crow called as what? Blacky. What is the name of this crow? Blacky. So this is the crow the Lily met with. Okay children. So this Blacky wanted to eat the snail. So it wanted to eat the snail, and so the Lily got frightened, means she was scared, and suddenly she hid herself in the shell. What is the shell? Shell is her home, right? And what did the Blacky did? The Blacky pecked the shell. Okay, this is not picking, it is pecked. See how the crow is pecking, the Blacky is pecking the shell. So, but the Lily was safe inside her shell. Why? Because she was hiding herself in the shell. She was safe in her home. Later on, what did the Blacky did? Pecked it again and again. The Blacky got bored and he flew away. Okay children. So after some time, The snail was the lily was in the shell in her home, right? She came outside slowly and told that everyone should have a homes like me. Why? Because in the beginning when she was climbing the uphill, she told that this home is very heavy to me. I don't want to carry this, right? But later on she told that yes, this home is safe for everyone. So everyone should carry a home like me. Okay children, so this is the story about your friend a snail's tale. So what you have to do today, take out your textbook, open the snail's tale lesson and go through the